Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy B Presents. Happy Friday night, and today we got a Borla exhaust. It's the Borla Touring Cat-Back Exhaust for the JKU, and today we're going to be installing it on our 2017 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon JKU. Let's get into it. Okay, so here's the exhaust. Like I said, this is the Borla Touring Cat-Back converter, with the mandel bent pipes, and then it has these super nice chrome exhaust tips. Super nice, the chrome exhaust tips, and this is the resonator, and these are mandel bent pipes. That's stainless steel. I think, no, we're not going to be painting it because it's just an exhaust. Yeah, we got the Borla exhaust, and if you come over here, you can see Borla, baby. This is going to be a sick install. We're going to be installing it on the Jeep. Also, as you can see here, the Jeep is currently running a single exhaust pipe. This is the stock exhaust pipe that came with the Jeep, and this is a dual exhaust pipe, and it's going to increase the performance and the sound on the Jeep. So let's get into it. Okay everyone, so really quickly we're just going to do a before and after, and then at the end of the video I'm going to put these clips side by side just so we can see the before and after of with the stock exhaust and the Borla exhaust. And like I said, this mod is going to increase the performance and the sound. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so this is the stock exhaust. This is the cold startup on the 2017 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon with the stock exhaust. Fire it up. So this is the stock exhaust. This is the stock exhaust that came with the Jeep. Then after we install it, we'll do a after shot with the Borla exhaust. Now let's get into the install. Okay everyone, so we just got the Jeep exhaust off. I haven't made a clip in about 1 to 2 hours. This is definitely still taking up a lot of time, but it's surprisingly one of the shorter Jeep mods we've done, because most of the time the Jeep mods take a couple days. Yeah, here's part 1 and part 2. These are the 2 parts to the Jeep exhaust, and we just got it off, so now we're going to install the Borla exhaust. Here we go. Okay guys, so we just got the exhaust installed. We're about to do the after clip. But we just got it installed. This process of installing the exhaust was quick and easy. It only took about 20 minutes, and it was super easy. The hardest part was definitely taking out the OEM exhaust. So now we're gonna do the after shot. Okay, this is the after shot of the 2017 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon JKU with the Borla exhaust. Start it up. Oh. That sounds so much better though. That's so cool. It sounds so much better. Okay, now I'm going to play a side-by-side of the before and after clips, and comment down below which one you think sounds better. I think I already know your answer, but show me what you got. Okay guys, so this is the stock exhaust. This is the cold startup on the 2017 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon with the stock exhaust. Fire it up. So this is the stock exhaust. Okay, this is the after shot of the 2017 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon JKU with the Borla exhaust. Start it up. Oh. Okay, everyone, and with that, I think that's going to conclude today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. This was installing the Borla Touring Exhaust on our 2017 JKU Rubicon. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace!